Hello class 8. In this video I'm going to explain you the last topic of chapter 11 history, that is the making of national movement. It is the last step towards partition and independence. Before that we were studying that Mahatma Gandhi, he initiated Quit India movement and so many people joined it. And they came on roads, thousands and thousands of people, they came on roads and opposed the British rule. In 1940, All India Muslim League, they wanted an independent states for Muslim in northwestern and eastern area of the country. All India Muslim League ने डिमांड की कि हमें एक इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट बना दो. They did not ask for Pakistan. अभी पाकिस्तान की बात नहीं हुई. But they wanted an independent states for Muslims. When elections happened in 1946, the Congress did well, but the All India Muslim League had spectacular results. Spectacular means very good results. And when they won the elections in many parts, they got strength, and then they demanded Pakistan. All Muslims were gathered together and they demanded Pakistan. They demanded a different country from India. Now, as they have put their demand, so some people from Britain, they came to examine this demand and to suggest a suitable political framework for free India. You see, bache, that they have decided to free India, that they have decided to give freedom to India, but they still wanted to decide to suggest कि आप अपना political framework, अपनी political administration कैसे रख सकते हो. They suggested that India should remain united. But the Congress and the Muslim League, they are not ready to accept many things. So partition now has become more or less inevitable, which cannot be avoided. So after the discussions in the cabinet mission, no result came up. So it failed. The Muslim League decided on mass agitation for winning its Pakistan demand. It announced 16 August 1946 as Direct Action Day, and on this day, riots broke out in Calcutta, lasting several days and resulting in the death of thousands of people. By March 1947, after 1 year, violence spread to different parts of northern India. Muslim League did not stop to demand a different nation. So many thousand people were killed and numerous women had to face untold brutalities. Brutalities means cruelties, cruel things during the partition. Millions of people were forced to flee their homes. Muslims, all Muslims which lived in India, they were going in their independent states, and many Hindus who were there in the northwest eastern part of the country, they came to New India. Torn asunder from their homelands, they were reduced to being refugees in alien lands. They left their homes and they became refugees in a different place. Partition also meant that India changed. Many of its cities changed and a new country, Pakistan, was born. So the joy of our country's independence from the British rule came mixed with the pain and violence of partition. We were happy that British were going from our country, but at the same time, our nationalists like Mahatma Gandhi, they were so sad with the pain and violence of partition between our countries. Thank you.